Good day, Nigeria. Good day, Africa. And good day to global listeners, wherever you're tuned in from. This is Update People TV, where the people come first, bringing you verified updates, community stories, and of course, the voices shaping our nation. And this is today's update. We're starting on a very positive note from Nnewi, Anambra State. The Nnewi Digital Library and Tech Incubation Center is officially rising, and yes, construction has now reached the second floor. This ambitious project is being driven by the people of Nnewi in the United States. Built for Ndi Nnewi, for Ndi Igbo, and for everyone who believes in education, innovation, and technology. This is just a building, it's a statement that says community-driven development works. A statement that says the future of Igbo land is knowledge-based. Massive applause to the diaspora community making this vision a reality. And still in the southeast, Enugu State to be precise, former Anambra State Governor and presidential candidate, His Excellency Peter Obi, was spotted at the local supermarket in Enugu during Christmas shopping. No convoy drama, no barricades, just a leader blending effortlessly with the people. Wherever Peter Obi goes, one thing is constant. People gravitate towards him. Many say he carries a calm presence, a light that makes people feel seen. Love him or criticize him, you cannot deny the connection.
Excellency, this is the moment His Excellency Peter Obi, just breezing at Radopin supermarket, and everyone inside went agog. It's not easy. Organic love, yeah. The man of the people, the man of the moment, yeah. As you can see.
Now to the north, where reactions are eating up over Nigeria's proposed new tax laws. A prominent Islamic scholar, Sheikh Akali Zaria, has openly warned lawmakers supporting the policy. His message was direct and firm. He stated that any senator or House of Representatives who supports the new tax law should be ready to answer questions back home. This statement has sparked serious conversations about taxation, representation, and accountability. The big question remains, are Nigerians being taxed fairly or simply taxed repeatedly?
Za mu ga uban da zai tabbatar da wannan harajin. Billahi allazi la ilaha illa huwa, ina faɗi da babban murya, wallahi duk ɗan majalisa ko sanatan da ya je ya sako hannu akan wannan harajin, wallahi ka dawo gida sai mun ci ubanka. Gaskiya ne. Ba wani boye, wallahi sai mun ci ubanka. Mun tura ka ka wakilce mu ne. Ita democracy for the people, by the people, to the people. For the people, by the people, to the people. Kuma we are people, jama'a. We are people. Kuma da kodan da suka dima ma dan majalisa su na jihar Zamfara, Allah ya muku albarka. Allah ya muku albarka. Allah ya muku albarka. Ya ku sanatoci, ya ku yan majalisu. Ina muku albashir za ku doku. Wallahi tallahi za ku doku. Wallahi za ku doku. Jama'a da aka cire tallafi, uban wa aka tallafa mawa. Jama'a da aka cire tallafi, uban wa aka tallafa mawa. Saboda ka we don't have any problem with you. We don't have problem with any person. Except when they just saka hannu akan me haraji.
There is also a glimmer of hope coming from Awo in Demili, Anambra State. For the first time in 5 years, residents are returning home to celebrate Christmas after prolonged tension linked to IPOB ESN activities. Families reunited, homes reopened, festive songs heard again. Healing does not come overnight, but today, hope walked back into town.
Bataba, Freya, Zumota Alaga, Convoy, Alaba, Juju, Amoto Alaba, Kaman Kabum, Nobu. Yo! Oh! I like him, yeah. What am I Mong? Bataba lo subrila. Bataba. Bataba village, o subrila. Bataba wo. Mong. Oh God. Oh no. Oh no. Manezio. Ezio. Mong.
Now to a developing controversy shaking social media as we speak. Actress Doris Ogala has released a video making serious allegations again against Pastor Chris Okafor. She claims she rejected money and business shares, accusing the pastor of sending inappropriate content and attempting to manipulate events behind the scenes. She says evidence has been forwarded to online activist Very Dark Man. These are serious allegations if you ask me, and as always, we remind our audience all parties deserve fair hearing. We will continue to follow verified developments only.
You see that man, Chris, I never know how wicked that man is, and you don't know who you're dealing. I know them very well. I know how they set people up. He told me to make my demands. Make my demands so that he go carry am set me up. Who go collect $50,000 for you to do it? You dey craze? Who you want to for your life share? Me. You dey craze? Person wey conscience allow am. I miss this drama as this man comes to me for Unilag. He sent me the naked video of his daughters. Naked pictures. Just this man can do anything just to protect himself. He doesn't mind who takes the fall. Now they are trying to come out to say that they set Very Dark Man up, that girl is not his daughter, blah 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 blah. Now me you want set up so that I go as I talk $50,000, I talk house, I talk this one, you go say they blackmail you, they blackmail you. This is not about money, Chris. It's not about money. Any money you give me, I go chop one, but I will still say the truth. It's not about money. That was when I not asking a question. How come I am the only woman in the mix of these mafians? Do you think they saw me ordinary and they brought me in their mix? That come I'm the only woman in the mix of these mafians. This man get mine, send me naked picture of his own daughters. A shock. This man can do anything to anybody. There are not people that you can protect. The more you try to protect them, the more they are setting you up. And trust me, they are plotting with some corrupt police officers to deal with me. They are plotting with some police officers to tag me, blackmail, tag me anything to jail me. Their plans, I know. Everything they are plotting, I know. You think I don't get it? Me go demand $50,000 for you so that you go jail me. Again, I don't wait till you dey plan. Every of your plan I get her. You send me naked video picture of your own daughters. I sent that to Very Dark Man. I sent that to Very Dark Man. Of your own daughters, you just want to take a fall. You want them to take a fall for you. Now me you want set up. You don't go to try. From the day you came, when you shocked that somebody people were watching you when you came, I informed my people. Are you shocked that I have the two cars? You came with two cars. The first one you came with that hill. The second one you came with Brad. I never post that one. I was to post that one. Now me you want set up. Who they ask me for? If you give me money, I will chop and please. But it will not stop me from exposing you. You don't know who you're dealing with. I lost my brother. Nothing means anything to me anymore. Nothing. Nothing means anything to me anymore if you don't know. Nothing. This is not about money. It's not about money. It's about what you did to me. You send my nude video to your friends.
To Ebonyi State, where Chief Chukwuemeka Itumaimvebo and his family touched down at the Ebonyi State International Airport for the festive season in a private jet. But this is not just celebration. The billionaire businessman is set to host a 100 million naira football tournament and empowerment program on January 4th, 2026 in Abakaliki. And finally, to Abia State, where political tension is rising. Governor Alex Otti has been accused by Chief Abayomi Arabambi of misappropriating public funds while allegedly presenting cosmetic projects to residents. The accuser has called on the EFCC to investigate these claims thoroughly. As always, allegations remain allegations until proven, but transparency is a non-negotiable in a democracy. From community development to leadership, from controversy to accountability, Nigeria's story continues to unfold one day at a time. Remember, progress begins when people stay informed. This has been Update People TV, the people's voice, the people's truth. Don't forget to like, share, and follow us for more verified updates.
This is also the narrative people pushes out there about Mr. Peter Obi until when it was demystified in all the obstacle election in Nigeria. Governor Alex Otti, as far as I'm concerned, is just a man, who is deceiving the Abians. Probably because of their level of education, with due respect, I don't know, or because of the level, of their political understanding of Nigeria. A governor that abandoned government house uses Abia State money to be building his own house. If he know he had the capacity, he should have made his house what it is today, other than when he was not the governor. You abandoned a government house, and you are now using government money to fund your building. You go and be holding government meetings, spending government money. Who is deceiving who? Is it the street light that this guy uses generator to power? Is that what we are talking about? Or because he's giving electricity to community, then Julian Abure should just resign and leave before? No, this is not Abia. This is Labour Party of Nigeria, a party that has been established by law and governed by law. We were there before him, and like I said, he knew he has tried it with PDP. He failed woefully. They didn't give him the ticket because they are saying this attribute in him, an attribute of a man who will want to destroy the ladder, that took him up. The PDP, they saw this attribute in him. Even the app guy, he had tried to run at many times, so many times. The same Alex Otti, who was trying to use a judge in Abia, to shop, for one, Jankara injunction, which the court said, go and put them on notice, because he knew the Supreme Court is very clear, especially clear, that issue of party leadership is not justiciable. It is only the party themselves that can effect any change in their leadership. And as far as we are concerned, Julius Abure remained the national chairman of the party. So there is no substantive case against him. It is only the Alex Otti, that is backing Nwokocha, and Peter Obi that is backing Nenadi that have issues now. Because you see, the NLC said, we have dissolved the Nenadi committee. You can imagine building something or nothing. How can a legal, body be dissolving another illegal body when they know they don't have the constitutional power?